From dock fishing.
Bam, got one. First bass of the trip.
To actually swimming in the water to catch the fish.
But I'm on my tippy toes right here, so I think I'm gonna drop off. I'm barely staying up. Underwater shot.
And to slay nice big bass off the boat.
Oh my gosh. Better one, I think. Oh, we're gonna need net. That's a good spot.
Bass Lake has it all.
Good job, babe. What's up, guys? Bryceless Fishing here. I'm wading in the water right here. It's about knee deep. I'm 6 foot tall, and I just spotted a bass up on this rock. I'm gonna see if I can get it to strike. It just keeps cruising around this rock. I brought out the Ned Rig. Hopefully I can get it to bite. Oh, it just bit it. It just keeps cruising. It's definitely interested. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. It's very active. Looks like they're getting ready to spawn soon, so it's probably making its bed, putting it right in front of it. See if we can get a strike here. Got it. There we go. Yeah, baby. Beauty bass. Barely hooked though. Woo! He's splashing. Oh, he's barely hanging. He can pop off if he wanted. Woo! That's how you do it. I'm in the water. Bait pops right out of its mouth. Nice healthy chunk. There you go. Woo! And we're gonna release this guy in the water with us. Let's swim with him. Nice. Let's go, baby. Woo! That's how we do it. Guys, I'm going even deeper, wading out in the water. And I swear, I think I just saw a pretty good one cruise by. Oh, it's getting deep. Oh my gosh, big bass right in front of me. Yeah, it's a good bass. Right at my feet. I'm just walking. Holy, my sandals are floating away though. Hopefully I don't piss it off. Jeez. Oh, yeah, this is a different bass. My sandals are floating away. Oh, he's nosing it. I'm gonna have to get my sandals. My sandals are currently all the way down there. Oh, he's right at my feet. Get it, buddy. I keep dropping it right in front of him. This guy's just patrolling. He's not even on a bed or anything. Oh, he's in it. He's in it. Oh my goodness. He's aggressive, man. I've never seen a bass. This bass charged my feet too. Insane. All right, I gotta remember my sandals. They washed all the way up the shore. All right, this bass just cost me my sandals, but it's okay. I better catch them now. They floated across the lake. I can't get them anymore. There we go. Finally got him. I better land this fish because, oh my gosh. No, he spit my freaking worm. He's right there swimming off. No way. No way he bites again, right? I'm just gonna try. I didn't get a good hook set. Man, after losing this fish, I don't think he's gonna bite again. Oh, he is. Hopefully we got him that time. He's right at my feet, guys. He's so close to the... No, my gosh, he fell off again. You know, I'm gonna let this guy chill for a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can find my sandals. All right, guys, third time the charm. If I can find this fish again. I kind of did a mental note that said sharp rock straight out. I think that was the sharp rock over there. But this fish is a bully. I've never been charged by a bass or attacked by a bass. And I've swam with fish. In one of my videos, I literally fed bass crawfish. And they've always been chill, but this guy, for whatever reason, it might be a bed nearby or something, but he's pissed. Let's see if we can get him this time. All right, where is this sucker? Oh my gosh, he's right at my feet. Found him. Holy smokes. All right, we got it. We got to catch this guy this time, guys. I've let him off twice now. I literally fought him twice and he jumped off. And I'm not even casting at a bed. I'm just casting in a spot. That's like why I'm describing him as the most aggressive bass I've ever seen, because there's not even a bed nearby. But this bass is absolutely insane. He's biting it right now, but I can't see him. I got him again, number 3. Oh my gosh, he spit it again. There's no shot. Freaking third time I've lost this fish. I'm gonna try to look for a different bass. I'm gonna give that guy a break because I freaking lost him 3 times. See if we can find a different guy. Basically going swimming right now. That fish deserves the win. He beat me. 3 strikes are out. Smartest fish I've ever freaking seen in my life. Freaking deep over here though. Ah. Oh shoot, there's one by my feet right here, so they might be shallow. It looks like a decent one. Oh jeez. Yeah, there's a fish right next to me. Actually, pretty good size one under me. I finally got this one nosing. It's nosing on it, just not committing. But I'm on my tippy toes right here, so I think I'm gonna drop off. I'm barely staying up. Just a matter of time. He's looking at it. Bro, he might be 3.5. He looks big. It's kind of, it's a fun way to fish. I've never done this. Come on, fish. Oh geez, he's right at my feet. That's free. Oh my gosh. I got him, man. Yeah, baby. I don't even know if yeah, dude, he's healthy. He's a largie. That's a fatty though. Oh man, let's go, baby. Woo. Underwater shot. He's a healthy one, babe. All right. Yep, thank you, babe. Underwater release. That's so cool. They swimming straight back out.